This is Brussels sprouts, crispy, I might add, with balsamic and dates. Super, super easy. With my doubled recipe, I've got 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts here, a cup of olive and avocado oil, half of each. I'm gonna mix those up. Of salt, Himalayan salt. My oven is preheating at 350. And I'm gonna put these in the oven. Kind of keeping an eye on them, turning them as needed for about 30 minutes. Well, here they are, the roasted Brussels sprouts. It did take more than a half hour. And you're gonna, if you haven't roasted Brussels sprouts before, and I'm thinking you might have, you just make them to the way you like them. And these are, like again, I said these are called, it's called crispy Brussels sprouts. So here they are. I'm putting them in a nice serving bowl. And while those were cooking, I cut up a cup of dates. Again, this is 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts, a cup of dates, and in here I also have almonds that are already browned and roasted. I'm gonna add all that to the mixture. Juice from 1 lemon, and about 2 tablespoons of the balsamic glaze. It's about 2 tablespoons. Mix it up, and that's it.